Most people think drinking more water automatically means better health. But here's the shocking truth. If you're over 50 and drinking plain water, you could actually be dehydrating yourself. Wait, what? How can water, the very thing we're told to drink more of, possibly hurt your hydration and blood flow? Here's the deal. After 50, your body changes in ways no one talks about. Your kidneys don't hold on to water as efficiently. Your arteries start to stiffen. And your sense of thirst, that natural signal to drink, gets weaker. So even if you're drinking 8 glasses a day, most of it might be flushing right through you. And that's not all. Without the right minerals dissolved in that water, your cells literally can't absorb it. You can fill your cup all day long, but if the water doesn't enter your cells, you stay tired, foggy, and sluggish, all classic signs of cellular dehydration. Think about it. Ever wonder why some people drink tons of water but still feel exhausted, dizzy, or cramped? It's not lack of water, it's lack of conductivity. Your body runs on electrical impulses, and without minerals, there's no charge to move hydration where it's needed most. So, what's missing? What's the one simple addition that can turn your ordinary glass of water into a blood flow boosting powerhouse? In the next few minutes, we'll break down exactly which minerals your body craves after 50 and how adding just a pinch of the right one could unlock younger energy, sharper focus, and stronger circulation than you've felt in years. For decades, we've been told the same simple rule: drink more water. But here's the catch: hydration isn't just about quantity. It's about how well your body can use that water. And after 50, your body's ability to stay hydrated changes dramatically. As we age, our thirst sensation weakens. That's why older adults often go hours without drinking. Their brain simply doesn't register dehydration as quickly. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already behind. Then there's the kidney factor. Kidneys act like filters, keeping water and electrolytes in balance. But after 50, those filters become less efficient. They flush out valuable minerals too easily, making your body lose hydration faster, even if you're drinking plenty. And here's where it gets serious. Your arteries, those flexible tubes that carry oxygen-rich blood to every organ, begin to stiffen. That stiffness doesn't just affect blood pressure, it limits how fluid moves through your entire vascular system. The result? Less oxygen to your brain, slower circulation to your muscles, and that constant low battery feeling you can't shake. So when you drink plain water, thinking you're doing something healthy, you might be missing the real issue. Your body isn't retaining it. It's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. The truth is, proper hydration after 50 requires more than water. It requires balance. That balance begins with one powerful element: electrolytes, the natural conductors that help every heartbeat, every nerve signal, and every drop of blood flow freely through your body. Electrolytes aren't just a buzzword from sports drinks, they're literally the spark of life. These minerals carry electrical charges that tell your cells when to open, when to close, and when to move water in or out. Without them, your entire hydration system breaks down. Blood vessels lose their ability to expand. Muscles can't contract properly. Even your brain struggles to send clear signals. It's like trying to run your house without electricity. The wires are there, but nothing turns on. That's why simply drinking plain water doesn't cut it. What you need is charged water, water infused with the right balance of minerals to keep the electrical current of your body flowing. And among all these minerals, one stands out as the most critical for people over 50. If there's one mineral your body can't afford to run low on after 50, it's magnesium. Magnesium acts like nature's muscle relaxer, especially for your blood vessels. It tells the smooth muscle around your arteries to loosen up, allowing more blood and oxygen to flow freely. When magnesium levels drop, the opposite happens. Blood vessels tighten, circulation slows, blood pressure rises, and your heart has to work harder just to keep things moving. Here's the kicker: research shows that nearly 70% of adults over 50 are magnesium deficient. Why? Because our soil is depleted, processed foods remove it, and stress burns through it. But when you restore magnesium, the results are almost instant. Within days, many people notice warmer hands and feet, deeper sleep, fewer leg cramps, and sharper mental clarity. It's not a supplement trick, it's simply giving your cells what they've been begging for. And the best part? You don't need fancy formulas. A simple magnesium glycinate or citrate powder added to water does the job beautifully. That's your first hydration upgrade, magnesium. But it's just the beginning. Sodium gets a bad rep. Everyone hears too much salt raises blood pressure. But here's the truth, not all sodium is created equal. Refined table salt, the white, bleached kind found in most processed foods, can cause harm because it's stripped of other minerals. But unrefined, whole-spectrum salt, like sea salt or Himalayan salt, contains over 80 trace minerals that work with your body, not against it. Sodium is what helps your cells retain water. It's the gatekeeper of hydration. Without it, water passes straight through your system. With it, water actually gets pulled into your cells, where it hydrates tissue and supports energy production. So if you've been avoiding salt entirely, you might be sabotaging your hydration. A pinch of quality salt in your morning water can make all the difference, restoring balance, stabilizing energy, and helping your heart pump more efficiently. If sodium is the gatekeeper, potassium is the regulator. Potassium's job is to maintain the right ratio between sodium and water inside your cells. When this balance tips too far towards sodium, blood pressure climbs. But with enough potassium, the system stabilizes. Most people over 50 get half of the potassium they need, especially if they eat fewer fruits and vegetables. That deficiency leaves your muscles tense, your nerves overstimulated, and your circulation restricted. Adding potassium-rich foods like avocado, spinach, or coconut water can dramatically support healthy blood pressure and steady energy levels. And if you're pairing potassium with magnesium, that's a circulation powerhouse. Now let's talk about two silent players that can supercharge vitality after 50, zinc and iron. Zinc supports testosterone, immune strength, and overall recovery. It's essential for the repair and regeneration that slows with age. Low zinc levels often mean slower healing, reduced libido, and weaker immunity. Iron, on the other hand, is your oxygen transporter. It's what allows red blood cells to carry oxygen to every part of your body. Without it, you feel drained no matter how much you sleep. However, iron is one mineral you don't supplement blindly. Only add it if a blood test confirms deficiency. Too much can cause oxidative stress. When taken in balanced, bioavailable forms, like liquid zinc or low-dose chelated iron, these trace minerals round out your hydration and circulation toolkit. So here's your daily hack for better blood flow and hydration. Each day, add one of these minerals to your water, magnesium today, a pinch of quality salt tomorrow, and potassium-rich coconut water the next. Cycle or rotate them based on how your body feels. You're not just drinking water anymore. You're recharging your cells with minerals that restore electrical balance, blood flow, and oxygen delivery. This 1-minute ritual can be more effective than any energy drink or pre-workout for people over 50. If you stay consistent for about 3 weeks, here's what most people notice: steadier energy, warmer hands and feet, sharper focus, better sleep, and a quiet but powerful sense of vitality, like your body just woke back up. So before you grab another bottle of plain water, remember this: hydration without minerals is like a car without fuel. It looks full, but it's not going anywhere. Start small. Add that pinch of magnesium or a bit of natural salt to your next glass. Your cells, your heart, and your blood flow will thank you. If this video helped you, tap that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and share it with someone who still thinks plain water is enough after 50. Because the truth is, hydration isn't about drinking more, it's about drinking smarter.